In this video, I'm about to compare Perplexity AI and Microsoft Copilot. Perplexity AI and Microsoft Copilot are two advanced AI tools that cater to different users' needs and applications. Perplexity AI focuses on providing precise answers through an interactive interface. It offers real-time responses by leveraging multiple data sources, allowing users to refine their queries and receive follow-up answers. Perplexity AI also cites sources for verifications, which enhances trustworthiness. The pros of Perplexity AI include the fast and accurate responses, an engaging querying experience, and reliable sourcing. However, its cons include limited creative capabilities and potential struggles with complex or nuanced conversations. Perplexity AI offers two pricing plans, including a free plan and professional plan at $20. Microsoft Copilot, integrated into Microsoft Office applications, aims to enhance productivity by assisting users with tasks within familiar software environments like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It provides context-aware suggestions, automates repetitive tasks, and helps users generate content more efficiently. The pros of Microsoft Copilot included seamless integration with Microsoft tools, increased productivity, and effective assistance with document creation and data analysis. On the downside, its cons include dependency on Microsoft application and potential limitation in creative generation outside typical Office tasks. In my opinion, Perplexity AI is best for users seeking quick and accurate answers with reliable sourcing, while Microsoft Copilot is ideal for those looking to boost productivity and enhance their experience within Microsoft Office applications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.